Computers and the internet have made it really easy to rant. It's made everyone overly opinionated. Scott Weiland. Rock and roll doesn't allow you to grow up, especially if you're not trying very hard to. Scott Weiland. It's a beautiful thing to be that committed to something that you get so much joy from, but it is like a sick addiction because sometimes it's incredibly volatile, incredibly painful, and very frustrating. A man shouldn't be defined by his work, but I am. Scott Weiland. I suffer from manic depressive disorder and I've chosen not to take medication for it. Because of that, every once in a while I go through manic episodes and really depressed episodes. Scott Weiland. Making an album should be an honest experience. It shouldn't be about trying to gauge where popular music is today. It should be about artistic expression and putting down what you want to put down. Scott Weiland. I tend to get my hands into all these other things and all these distractions, and after a while I start feeling depleted. Scott Weiland. Writing the songs and producing the songs and arranging them and recording them is your canvas and your palette and your brush. Scott Weiland. When you're really looking forward to something, you don't feel the sense of pressure. Scott Weiland. I'm going to take care of myself because that's what I need to take care of. Scott Weiland. It doesn't matter what kind of problems a family is having, it should always stay in the family. Scott Weiland.